What's up, everybody? Welcome to the follow-up episode of Spicy Adventures. You guys heard a little bit of the sound clip from when I was leaving Silicon Valley Garage with an interior shot, interior sound clip, actually, I should say, of the AWE Touring exhaust. I got to drive it down Bear Creek Road, and it sounds pretty good. Wouldn't say it sounds great from inside the cabin, as I said before, but it sounds better than stock, and it's very noticeable, but not super loud. Zero drone. Yeah, and really enjoying it. Sounds good on upshifts and downshifts, and yeah, we're getting about ready to take off here up Highway 9 and give it a good throttling and hear what she finally sounds like. But you know, fully open up. As you can see, there are the triple chrome tips. I got this slightly used off of another FL5 owner who lived out in Folsom. I had under 1,000 miles on it for a really good price, so I couldn't pass it up, right? And the fact that my Type R is used, I didn't feel, you know, terribly bad for buying a slightly used exhaust. Even my wheels are slightly used, right? So the only thing that's been brand new so far that I bought on the car is the PRL stage 1 intake. It's been kind of raining. Today's the first day. It's kind of sunny, but the roads are still a little bit damp, so the car's just absolutely filthy right now, and I feel terrible because I just got it Icon rock cleared from Coating King's studio in Santa Clara. Kind of the same thing with Silicon Valley. Their Silicon Valley Garage, they're right next to the airport, and really good shop, those guys. You know, as I stated in my previous video, if you guys are looking for a shop to do some performance mods, and they do detailing and wrapping and you know, wheel installs and tire installs, all that type of stuff for super exotics and high-end sports cars, give them a shot and check out Harman and Silicon Valley Garage. Okay, those guys, top-notch work, very professional. You know, didn't really sit there and like bullshit with them as much. You know, you just walk in, get the job done, and get out. You know, you can't ask for much more than that. So I really appreciate the work that they did. And you know, it's not cheap, but well worth, I think, the paid price. I got 0 rattles on the way here. Everything sounds perfect. Everything's buttoned up nicely. They, you know, they really took care of the exhaust and how it mounted. You know, they made sure that all the bends and bolts and everything were nice and tidy. You know, they even re-lubed the bolts and the hangers and all that type of stuff, so that everything would, you know, kind of slip on nice and smooth and move as it should and flex as it should. So yeah, those guys know what they're doing, and I appreciate their work. So good stuff. But enough about that. Let's go for a ride, or a drive, I should say, huh? Let's go for a drive, and let's open her up a little bit so we can hear what she sounds like with upshifts and downshifts. So as she's sitting still like this, let me put up the parking brake again. When the parking brake is up like that, you can't go past 3,000 RPMs. So you can't really hear what she sounds like too much until you actually start moving. I can still hear the turbo sounds from the engine with my PRL stage 1 intake. So that's nice, and I can hear the roar of the exhaust. Their 180 technology is pretty fascinating. I like it. Here, sounds like on downshift. A little bit of slipping there. Roads are wet. Feel the power untuned, like AWE is claiming around, you know, 10 to 15 horsepower increase, and I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. Sounds so good. Oh, I am super happy. I am super happy. I like it a lot. What about all you other exhaust owners out there? Are you guys happy with your choice? Or you resonator delete guys? You know, I was thinking about doing a resonator delete, but I kept thinking about it and it was like, you know what, I'd rather have an exhaust than a resonator delete. And yeah, I'm happy that I went with an exhaust instead of a resonator delete. I feel like that's the proper way to go to get the sound you want. I saw another video of a guy who did the Hyundai jailbreak with the Integra Type S pops and bangs. That's kind of cool. But you know, I kind of don't want the pops and bangs. You know, that's an Integra Type S thing, and yeah, and I don't mind that I don't have it. Let's see if this guy will pull out of the way. Thank you, my guy. Tires and wet road don't really mix. grip with these damp roads. That I can still hear the turbo noises from the intake because this exhaust isn't annoyingly loud. Slipping around. You gotta have stability control on and stuff right now to kind of help me out. Roads are pretty slick. It might not look like it on video, but I can feel that the tire is moving around. And these are Hankook Ventus RS4 super sticky extreme performance tires, better suited for dry traction. I mean, they do okay in the wet. They're not terrible. But you can definitely feel the car sliding around a bit. AWE exhaust, baby. Really loving it. Super wet right here. A lot of shade. See if anybody's at the Vista point. Oh yeah, baby. Super happy with the install. AWE is a route you're thinking about going, I say think no longer. Just go for it. It is well worth the time and the money. Oh, nobody's up here, huh? I got one car up here, but wouldn't really call that a car. Just a lowly Corolla hanging out up here. Oh man, absolutely in love with it. It's nice. I like it. I like it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I'll try to do some flyby sound clips for you guys here in a little bit and post those up too. Until the next one, you guys. Peace.